To assemble the wood desk, follow these steps. Step 1. Attach the legs to the desk slab, tightening the leg screws until each joint is solid. Step 2. Insert the cam lock screws into the pre-drilled holes at each end of the slab. Step 3. Align the slab with the modesty panel and slide the cam lock screws into the corresponding holes in the panel. Step 4. Insert the cam lock nuts into the modesty panel and turn them clockwise to tighten, pulling the slab and panel firmly together. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 to 4 for the opposite side to complete the desk frame. To attach the return to the desk, follow these steps. Step 1. Push the return frame against the main desk until the two frames sit perfectly flush. Step 2. On the underside, span a flat bracket across both frames and drive the screws to lock the desk and return together. Step 3. Attach 2 additional flat brackets to the underside of the main desk, so the return tabletop will rest securely on them. Lower the return tabletop onto the support brackets. Check that all edges are flush, and drive the remaining screws through the brackets into the return top. All brackets are tightened, and the return is now firmly secured to the desk.